Hi guys!
Welcome back to Eliza's world. Today we are trying something really different.
Today
we'll be making a Bendy. We'll be making Bendy out of clay.
we have our Sculpey,
From
our
Bendy
trusty
and
Sculpey.
the ink machine from Bendy
So,
and the ink machine.
Eliza loves Bendy and the ink machine, and what we're going to do today is together we are going to make a clay model of Bendy. Now, if you like Bendy and the ink machine, tell us in the comments below.
Which is your favourite part from Bendy and the ink machine, whichever chapter, and what is the scariest part, and what's the worst part. My worst part is when you're stuck on the boat and you have to go, and there's a big giant Bendy stuck on you and you're like, ah! So guys, hit that like button in the face and go and check out our Instagram, social media, and our Twitter.
Yes, that's right. Eliza World X.
Yes, Eliza's World X. The picture right up there. Yeah, right there. There. Wait, no, right over there. Next to Mummy.
Okay, yeah.
Right over there. There's the picture
Of who we're modelling, just in case you've never heard of Bendy and the ink machine.
Let's go.
Oh, let's
go. I don't want it to be cute because Bendy's scary. Bendy looks so cute, but he has a dark side to him.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm not joking. Do you know what? I want enough to make like a little wrench. Sorry, Lawrence wears a mask. Looks terrible.
It looks just like his mouth.
That's a black screen.
Shh, don't tell everybody at home.
Look at that.
Standing up and everything.
This is a wonderful fail, am I right?
Ink puddles. So I'm going to put all of these in the oven. Oops, Bendy's arm is just got free.
Yeah, and he likes Bendy and Bendy. That's Bendy's slave.
Put that lightly with foil, and then I'm going to pop that in the oven when the oven gets to temperature.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da. It's been a few days later, and this is what our models look like. It looks so cool so far. Look at that. So guys, we are finished and these are our finished results. Which one do you like?
What do you think at home? Are you going to have a go at making Bendy and the Ink Machine from clay? Are you going to try a 5 Nights at Freddy's craft or a Hello Neighbour?
Hello Neighbour. So guys, don't forget to check out our Instagram and Twitter and Eliza as well as X. Our second thing is that we want you to do is like our videos, give it a big thumbs up, and I say hit that like button in the face. No, good. In your face, alright. Bye. And here is some of our playtime. Let's get with cartwheels.
Oh yes, I do. I always love working with cartwheels.
No. Do.
Miss.